Okay. All right, let's go on. Questions 36 to 40. And now we have true, false, not given, not. Punjabi, not given. True, false, not given. Very simple. 36, true. 37, false. You know why false? Because 36 is true. And 38, not given, because 36 and 37 are true, false. And 39, again true, otherwise true will be angry. Right? And 40? No, not given. Yeah. Okay. All right. You can play like that as well. Now, true, false, not given. When they appear in part 1, sentences are simple, easy to understand. When they appear in part 3, ideas are more complex. But still methodology, things are same. Okay? So let's do. Question number 36. Students participated, question number 36. Students participated in the job prospects experiment. Job prospects experiment. Now let's go back. Just see students and job prospects experiment. Students, job prospects experiment. Second page, second paragraph. This is called scanning. Right? Through scanning, you reach the right part of the passage which contains the answer. Okay, we have students and we have all that. So we know the second paragraph is going to have the answer. Now please come back. Now we read the question carefully. Students participating in job prospects experiment could choose one of two perspectives to take. Now listen. Students could choose one of two perspectives to take. Now if they could choose one of two, answer is true. If they could choose both, answer is false. If they could choose none, or if they had no choice, again it's going to be false. And if they don't tell us whether they could choose one or more, or they had no choice, then it is not given. So just focus, could choose one of two perspectives to take. Let's go back. I'm reading it. For example, in one experiment that took place, are you there? Yes. All right. In one experiment that took place during the peak of recent economic recession, graduating college seniors were asked to reflect on their job prospects. The students were instructed to imagine their career either as if you were a distant observer or before your own eyes. Now one option, either. When they use either or, how many options? Two options. Either or means two options. So be careful. Either as if you were a distant observer or before your own eyes as if you were right there. So how many options? Two. Either this or that. Yeah, you need more tea. आप ना चाय की एक ड्रिप बनवा के लाया करें. यहाँ पे लगा ली. Okay, chalti rahi saath saath. Please come back. Come on. Let's read this again. They said either as if you were a distant observer. That is option number 1. Yeah, अब आपको भी समझ आ रही है ना? Good. That's great. That's great. You've come back from there. And before your own eyes as if you were right there. So two options, you were observer or you were right there. Now please come back. Students participating in job prospect experiment could choose one of two perspectives. No, they could choose both actually. So the answer is false. Hello? Sir? Correct? Yeah? See, here they say one of two. And in the passage they say either this or that. Right? It's the same thing, like either you can marry your aunt's daughter or uncle's daughter. Right? So uncle or aunt. Are you married? No. So? Neither. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Cousin marriage. I'm against cousin marriage. They give you the feeling like a sister. Okay. Cousins are more like sisters. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Question number 36. Answer is false. Exactly. जितना मुश्किल टेस्ट होगा उतनी इनकी चाय ज़्यादा बिकेगी. Okay? Have you noticed now? पूरी डिश भर के लाया है. जितना मुश्किल टेस्ट होगा उतनी चाय बिकेगी. हाँ? Let's select some more difficult tests for you. Good for us. Question number 37. Participants In the couples experiment, couples, yeah, now he's smiling. So those who are couples, they never smile. Those who are not couples, they smile. Yeah, exactly. Participants in the couples experiment were aware. Now listen, participants in the couples experiment, couples were aware, means they knew. वो जानते थे. Couples were aware what? That they were taking part in a study about wise reasoning. Now, if couples were aware that some research is going on, answer is true. If couples didn't know that they were the subject of some research, answer is false. And if they don't tell us whether couples were aware or not, then the answer is not given. Let's go back. The clue word is couple. Now look for some couples, here or outside. Okay. So let's see. In another study, couples in long-term romantic relationships were instructed to visualize an unresolved relationship conflict either through the eyes of an outsider or from their own perspective. Read carefully. Just what do you have to find? Whether the couples were aware that some research was going on or all that. Okay, participants then discussed the incident with their partner for 10 minutes, after which they wrote down their thoughts about it. Couples in the other's eye condition were significantly more likely to rely on wise reasoning, recognizing other perspectives and searching for a compromise compared to the couples in the egocentric condition. Have they mentioned anything that couples were aware or they were not aware? They didn't mention. Answer is not given. 37, not given. Question number 38. In the couples experiment, again they have couples, In the couples experiment, do you want to participate in couples experiment? All right, you have to bring your own couple for that, okay? Don't assume that they will provide you a couple, yeah? All right. Okay, in the couples experiment, the length of the couple's relationship had an impact on the results. Now go back. Length of couple's relationship, same paragraph. Length had effect on their results. Length of couple's relationship, 10 years relation, 20 years relation, and all that. Third paragraph. It's the same paragraph. Participants then discussed the incident, right? Couple's eyes conditions were significantly more likely. Did they mention the length of relationship? No. Another not given. Two not givens consecutively can make you make you irritated or make you confused. That how come two are not given? There was a test I was solving. The first 3 questions were not given. Okay, this is also possible. Now it doesn't mean you write first 3 not given. Sir ne kaha tha. Not like this, okay? Sure, listen. Just focus this thing. Question number 38. The focal point is couples relationship had an impact on the results. Length of couples relationship. Like their relationship continued for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So the length of relationship impact on the results. They did not mention anything about the couple, length of their relationship on the results. Okay, let's do question number 39. After 2 not given, 39 should be? False. Very good. You never guess. Okay, yeah. In both experiments. Now, what are both experiments? Please come back. Yeah, students one and the couple ones. Now you have to look at 2 paragraphs. The students experiment, and what was that? From your own point of view or from a third person point of view, right? And the couples one. So, let's see. In both experiments, the participants who looked at the situation from a more detached viewpoint tended to make wiser decisions. And that's what they told us already, third person's view. So, what is that? What are they using for third person view in both experiments? The participants who looked at the situation from a more detached viewpoint. More detached viewpoint means third person's view, tended to make wiser decisions. Please come back. Okay, now we got to see in both they made wiser decisions. Please come to fourth last paragraph. Participants in the group assigned to the distant observer. Distant observer means detached from the situation. Found it? Yes. Fourth last paragraph, third last line. Participants in the group assigned to the distant observer role displayed more wisdom. Got it? So the first thing we found here, they displayed more wisdom. Now, by the way, answer can be false if in one experiment, detached thing showed more wisdom. In the second experiment, it showed less wisdom. Answer can be false, right? Now, let's go on to the other one. I'm reading this third last paragraph from fourth line. Couples in the other's eyes condition. Other's eyes means detached ones. Third person view. Couples in the other's eyes condition were significantly more likely to rely on wise reasoning, recognizing others' perspectives, and searching for a compromise compared to the couples in the egocentric condition. Right? So the answer is true. Absolutely. See that we had to read two parts of the passage for one question. Now, when they say both experiments, if it is one experiment and other is not that, then it is false. Last question, Grossman. Theory, tessi. You know, sometimes you see the characters and you start shouting against them and all that. Grossman believes that a person's wisdom is determined by their intelligence to only a very limited extent. Right? Wisdom has little connection with intelligence. Even if you're not intelligent, you can take wise decision, right? So let's go back. It's the last paragraph. Okay, last paragraph, third last line. That is, knowing how wisely a person behaves in a given situation is more informative for understanding their emotions. Okay, let's start it from the beginning. We might associate wisdom with intelligence. Answer is here. Okay, we might associate wisdom with intelligence or particular personality traits, but means wisdom has nothing to do with intelligence. When they said but, research shows only a small positive relationship between wise thinking and crystallized intelligence. So, what is the question? Grossman believes that a person's wisdom is determined by their intelligence to only a very little extent, at limited extent. What is the word for that? Research shows only a small positive relationship between wise thinking and crystallized intelligence. Answer is true.